Hi everyone, and welcome to this unboxing of this cable organizer. So I bought this off Amazon for around 20 quid, which is not bad. So let's get on with the unboxing. The packaging itself is incredibly simple, but I'm not too fussed about that because the product is simple. First thing we have is what looks like a thank you leaflet and shows a picture of the team. That's quite nice. And then we have some manuals and it shows what's included. Then we have what looks like some Velcro straps. Okay, then we have some screws, and then it looks like we have some placement stickers. Okay. So here they are, and they look good. So now let's go set it up. So I chose to not screw this into my desk. Instead, I used the Velcro strips included, and I found that it was really secure. The setup process took around 10 to 15 minutes, probably longer than expected because I had to rearrange a lot of cables. So I'm really happy with this cable management tray. I found that it has really cleaned up my setup, and I would probably buy this again if I had other desks. So I would definitely recommend it. So there is my unboxing, and thank you very much for watching.